So today we are going to learn our first chapter. The chapter name is Computer at a Glance. So this is our part second. So in our previous video we already study about what is meant by computer and also learn their features and hardware devices and the input devices. So today we are going to learn the output devices and the storage devices. So let's start. Output devices. So the output devices is a hardware device and that are used to display the user input or to show the result produced by the system. And these peripherals are also used depending on the types of output to be generated. Some output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. So let us see. Monitor, also we called as an VDU, means the visual display unit. So the monitor is a main output device of computer system which show the result in a soft copy format on the screen, means which cannot be retained permanently. Then next is printer. So the printer is an output device and that is used to generate the hard copy output, means it's printed output which is be permanently, mean it gives a hard copy output. So the printers are mainly divided in two categories, impact printer and non-impact printer. So let's see. Impact printer. So the impact printer is print using the direct contact between the print head and the paper, means a print head bearing a letters, numbers or the sign, means it strikes on the ink ribbon placed immediately before the paper as in a typewriting. These strings causes the imprint of paper head on the paper which the inks on the ribbon. So that's why it can be directly contact with the print head and the paper. So some of the examples of impact printer are dot matrix printer, daisy hell printer, drum printer and the chain printer. So look at here, this is our dot matrix printer. So next is non-impact printer. So the non-impact printer is print without any physical contact between the paper and the paper head, means the impact printer includes some laser, inkjet, thermal printer, means they use the different technology for transferring the text and the graphics to the print media. That's why it's no need to any physical contact between paper and the paper head. So these are some example: laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer. So look at here, this is our laser printer, inkjet printer. So the next is speaker. So the speaker are used to produce the audio output. We connect the speaker with the computer system to listen the sound play on it. So the next is storage devices. So the storage device that are used to store the data permanently and which can be retrieved when they needed. And these devices can be fixed permanently and also they connected externally as they needed. So some of the storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, flash drive, Blu-ray disc and memory sticks. So let us see. Hard disk. So the hard disk is a storage device and this is fixed inside the computer system and it has a fixed storage capacity and the huge amount of storage capacity ranging from 500 GB to 5 TB. So next is compact disc, means CD. So this is also one storage device and this is an optical storage device made up of the plastic coated with the optical material and its storage capacity can be up to 700 MB. So next is digital versatile disc, means DVD. So this storage device is just like as a CD and its storage capacity is very large, which range from 4.7 GB to 17.08 GB, and this DVD is used to produce audio output, and also it's read the data faster than CD. Then next is flash drive. So the flash drive is an electronic storage device and it's also known as a pen drive, and this connected externally with the computer system on the USB port, and their storage capacity up to 256 GB data in it. So this is our flash drive. The next is Blu-ray disc, means BD. This disc is like a CD and which used as a blue laser technology to store the data, and its capacity range from 25 to 50 GB. The last is memory sticks. So the memory sticks is a removable flash memory card and it's also known as a multimedia card. It has a high capacity and high speed storage device, and it is used in mobile, cameras, tablets, PlayStation, etc. And its capacity range from 1 GB to 128 GB. So, thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear student.